In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Vaned promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Vaned promo codes. Right here, you'll have to select this website, which is called retailmenow.com. And as you can see right here, we have a list with promo codes and deals that we can use. So for example, if I want to get this one with 20% off discount, all I have to do is select show code right here, and as you can see, this is the discount code. I can copy this one from here and I can apply it on my next purchase in order to get my discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we also have this website which is called Noji. And right here, we have some promo codes also that we can use. For example, this one right here is also verified. So if I want to use this one with 20% of discount, all I have to do is select get this code right here, and I can copy this promo code and I can apply it on my next purchase in order to get my discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.